Previously on...
It's electric.
Happy Canada Day! No, for real, guys, happy Canada Day! Welcome, it's July 1st, 2016, and it's Canada Day, annual Canada Day barbecue. As always, I'm the chef and the host with the most. So me and Asian Beige are on the grill today. Oh God. It's ready. What was that? Okay, not for not for these people, but ready. Why do I always look so black on your camera? It's bad. Go to the light. In your much better using the highlight. Much better. I got for that. That was for that. Well, you can watch it and then you'll see. He's not gonna watch it. I'm making watch it. Right. Yeah. So anyways, I hope I can finish soon so I can put on my flower crown and I can be all cute and stuff, you know, because it's Canada Day. Oh, are you vlogging? Oh, sorry. Yes. So yeah, we're here and we're barbecuing and we're Canada Daying. You're barbecuing. It's only you. We are all barbecuing. We're all going to be watching this together when it uploads. Hi, happy Canada Day. Good, happy Canada Day.
Who's listening to Tina Turner? I swear I heard that.
Yeah, we were. You like Tina Turner? Yeah, she's the bomb.com.
She's the one that makes the pies.
That's how you get BT.
This Rita Franklin.
So nasty.
No.
Marlon Cherry, Mr. Marlon Cherry.
I would
do you want
say
to see your
Food
video?
Marlon's Cherry, but I don't want to be mixed up on this good long weekend
Could
holiday.
you give your sleeves so I can wipe that hair off? That hair off.
Cherry, Marlon
Did you see your
Cherry.
parents go like that? No. I don't know where the hair is.
You're so funny! You're so funny! Krishan, why did you catch that? Why did you catch that foolishness?
You heard it, but I didn't see him say it.
Stupid.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Gross.
Okay, so before the vlog ends, we have to sing "O Canada." Why?
Cat in the night.
Because I want that to be the opening for this segment.
Oh Canada. Oh Canada.
Or I think I should make everybody do their best "O Canada." Okay, wait, let me try. Move out the way.
See us to the time in our cartel, I represent the laser force.
Just the first line. Oh, Canada. That's it.
Okay, all right. All right. My man's down, baby.
Oh, Jamaica.
Oh, Canada.
What do you want me to sing?
Oh, Canada.
Oh, Canada.
All right, thank you.
Oh, Canada.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, Canada.
Okay.
Oh, spaghetti burger.
Black?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Just say, oh, Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you want it now?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. Oh, Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Okay.
Happy Canada Day.
Woo! Okay.
Happy Canada. Happy Canada.
Yay! Yay! Oh, freaking! What were you saying? You want to do it again?
Canada Day, you dig what I'm saying? Check me out on Instagram and I'll be rapping and shit.
Happy Canada Day. No, I'm doing it.
I'm putting all these in there. I swear to you. I'm gonna be like, take one. All right, take 3.
Happy Canada Day.
Woo!
Happy Canada Day.
Woo!
Happy Canada Day.
Thank you, Joe Ryder.
Happy Canada Day.
Thank you.
To everyone.
That's disgusting.
What is that? What are those? Whoa, bro.
You ain't trying to kill people over, you know what I'm saying? No, but for real though. Ew! That was a black chicken.
It's not even cooked yet. It's black.
I'm wondering, you know, sometimes like when the bone breaks,
The blood.
yeah, like maybe it had a fracture before it died.
So you want me to throw it out?
Yeah. Taylor, if me cooking me at you.
No, you can't poison me.
Alright. You want me to poison somebody else?
No, fuck that.
You see? Don't come to
said it might be
Tiaja's
blood.
Tiaja wants to be a culinary chef, okay?
No, I don't want to be a chef.
What do you want to be?
Just a cook.
Don't go to our shop. Because she will serve you bad chicken, you see?
No.
This is what you want to give everybody. You
It
see
was
me?
in there.
Okay? She wants to
You
give
said it
them
was
this piece
blood.
of this. I didn't say it was blood. I said, what is this black thing?
You said it was blood. If the bone was fractured, it would be blood.
I said maybe that could have been a possibility as to what could have occurred.
Or maybe it
But I
was
didn't say
organic
that.
chicken.
No, I don't think
If
so.
it's organic, it would be like this.
I don't think so.
What does your shirt say?
Everyone loves a Canadian girl.
Oh,
I'm only Canadian today, guys.
and what are you every other day? Oh,
I mean, I'm bilingual.
you speak French?
You don't have to be bilingual to speak French as long as you speak another language.
I know. That means you only speak 2 languages.
You can speak as long as it's more than one. You're bilingual. So I speak more
No,
than one.
bi is 2. Multi is more than one.
Give me a bun. My head is starting to hurt. And Marley can't do nothing. I beat him, okay? So don't let me have to embarrass your guys' friend in front of you guys. Don't start with me. Do you know who I am? Do you know who my mom is?
Your mother is
Oh,
a
no
nice,
man
very
can't
nice
lick me.
lady.
And no man can't
Your
run
mother
me.
is
You
a very-
understand?
Your mother is
Okay.
a very nice lady.
Yes, and she don't make no man run her. So apple don't fall far from the tree. Like that. You understand, Katara?
Yeah.
You don't make them run you, okay? Tasia, we don't really have anything to worry about because Tasia's not seeking any men in the near future. Right?
What do you have to say
camera on
about
me.
that? No comment.
Tasia is not gonna have any boyfriends just yet.
Okay, turn the camera back. Thank you.
Tasia's gonna focus on her studying and poisoning people.
I will not poison anybody.
Hey! Oh, somebody else keeps closing the window. Darn, thought I made a new friend. That's how it goes sometimes. You win some, you lose some. I guess they're discriminating, you know, because we're black and white. But I'm kind of close in complexion a little, kind of. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my god.
Why? Canada Day! Thank you. Shay, what did you say?
Chicken.
No chicken?
No, it's not ready yet. If everybody just waits, then it will be ready. The hell are you bothering me for? Shay, I need some beats. No, I'm dead ass. How you gonna give it to me? Okay, let's do it.
You're stupid.
You're not supposed to say happy birthday. It's either Happy Canada Day or your best old Canada. Or your best old Canada.
I had to laugh. No.
Okay. Either. Shamika, I didn't laugh at you. It was Bailey.
I laughed at you because that was
No, but
funny.
it's my vlog. Okay, you can say that as well, but I need you to say either old Canada, like your best old Canada, or Happy Canada Day.
Okay. She's like, "Are you?"
Whenever you're ready.
I'm saying it again.
Okay. No, come on, you have to say it as well. Either old Canada or Happy Canada Day. Okay.
I'm good. All right. Happy birthday, Canada, from Shamika Sinclair. That's my Yo, I want to sit on my phone.
How hard is it? Happy Canada Day or old Canada. This is the same damn shit that happened at my damn house for me when I wanted to name the team Skinny Mini.
Skinny Mini.
Miney Mo. Like, you know what I mean? They gave me a damn hard time. Now all I'm asking them is just to say one or two things. And she had to come with Happy Birthday Canada. Like,
Okay, send me that.
is Canada telling you
Send
Happy
me
Birthday
that.
when it's
Send
your
me that so I
birthday?
can put that on my social media.
Shit.
Okay?
What?
Alright?
What happened?
Send me that clip so I can put it on my social media.
Oh. Oh, Marlon. Can you say Happy Canada Day? Or Old Canada? Masi already said it. How can I be of assistance to you? How are you going to talk to one sister and want to talk to the other sister now? You used to try to talk to the other one. That's her younger sister. No, now it's your friend because it didn't go anywhere? Like, it's not going to work. Uh-huh. Yeah? Oh. Okay, so talk to her. She's single.
Yeah?
Yep.
Tell her I'm vlogging. What's her name?
Her name is Shawnee.
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 Little girl, just pop man.
They want to be a part of the family, so Shawnee, holla.
Now, if you have concealer, if they still get
Okay. You can have a hot dog. It's no problem. Hello, this is supposed to be in a cup. If you are one of my babies.
No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me don't know one girl can deny me. Me no see me change shiny but white free. Me a controller, young soldier, once over. Any man at this way I get slumped over. Don't be scared of the thing, girl, come close. You need to come. One time, yeah, one time for the rude boy, and you know that. Honey down on a new toy, and you know that. I've been looking for you, baby. You need some.
It's not him. It's not him. I know to keep my stuff inside, not outside, you know? Was he drunk? Brother, did you hear what happened? About the guy pushing on the box?
Which guy?
There was a white guy in there just now. He was drunk, and he told them to turn on the music, and they told him no, and he pushed on the box. Yeah, like he pushed on the speaker box. Like I think they said it's broken.
Where is he?
He's gone. They kicked him out. Yo, he would have died. Only because gunshot was right there. Party done. Them call me the raving king. Show me love and I tell me the sweet like him say party shot like what? Less than good. Put me in a box like a oh, look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Say hi, Snapchat. Say I'm with my grandmommy. Say hi. They're always like, look at your drunken auntie. Say Happy Canada Day, you bumbo clads. You guys, it's Steven. Steven's here. Happy Canada Day. Happy Canada Day, Steven's friend. Sorry, you'll be on YouTube. No, I don't. Sorry.
It's funny because we're driving and he's like, I know where we're going.
Really?
Yeah, because we came here for that.
Ready? Hey! Sean, is this what you're eating? Good for you. Are you ready for the road? We're ready for the road. Hey! I hate soca, but we're ready for the road.
I'm in love. My name a fight against me. I'm in love. We used to move close, but now we move closer. Say in a class, me in a roach me like. Say we wanna love God, I'm gonna tell my father. It's not a generous, now it's an informer. Hey, it's stand up on me gate, impose like a king. And anything me try, judge I know him under me. Say anything me try, judge I know him under me. In a farmer, the era. Murder like him under the
Ready, guys? This is Petra. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Vanessa. From creation, what God can do it alone. Soldiers coming from near and far, I choose executing. Hey, all of my listening, my name. Then the most I wanna see on the screen. Then my goal, my goal, my goal. All of my goal is to reach my goal. Live a happy life with the coming ex. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, look at me now. That's how Martin Luther King would have started. Hey. You came back for the tune? Hallelujah, hallelujah, not play the tunes them. Look at me now, where them treat me less than good. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh. What up, SZN2? Let me sound now on ya. Just like how Martin Luther King would have started. Hey. My dream, my dream, my dream. Yes, that's the Mallory. Go on for the street with yourself. Go on. Live a happy life. Put it on me headstone. Nobody nothing. Hey, look at me now. When I'm 3 minutes so good. Look at me now. Look at me now. When me I tell you my life. When them used to go around me, go around. No one used to come around with my life was all away. Look at me now. Look at me now. Now be a play like JUTC. When you see me, it's on TV. When me name call, it's like roars after roars. The one song by NESBETH. The one. Hey! I'm washing that dead. him hot today. We are the weatherman. And boy should I drop when the beretta jump. Long time we no kill a man. So we circle the mess like the letterman. The seeker when the grab hot. Ski man like some of the pot. Shot fire, everybody drop flat. Everybody strap, everybody knock. Yeah, should we go? Hear my song, y'all. Never see my song.
Can you play my song?
What song?
My song. What song?
I don't think just yet.
No.
Wait! He wants to play his.
I know. I'm just asking you if you can.
I'm not sure. You can ask him though. Maybe we'll check out this evening. Then I never catch a feeling. Feelings. Me one right now. I just don't combinate. This is the one I was singing earlier. Nobody business me, nobody what you call me. Anytime you honey, you can't swing the pussy for me. Fuck me from time to time, but you don't own me. Cause I'm the one right now, I just company. Me don't want a relationship, just company. No one, nobody. All the one do is your company.
Hey.
Some man don't watch them girl, what do them brother? Yeah, you think she just so fuck you alone, you look at her, yeah. The pan of fucking drop for cars, the pan of trailer, yeah. Anytime when you fuck around, I got me dead for. You want to see what she drunk. And you want to see when me give her weed and the liquor ready, you know. And whenever.
Oh, one of my buttons is
Hear me, G. Me no afraid of no threat. Me no afraid of no island or gang powder. Me no afraid of no threat. Me no afraid of no island or gang powder. Me no afraid of no threat. Me no afraid of no island or gang powder. To help me work hard, to me think me as somebody, everybody proud of. Them no want see me own no Benz, no house or no Land Rover. The pussy never pray for me then. Me a standing soldier. And to because they were one murder. Hey, sing it. Some could no man a bad mind. Some could no man a 10 time. Some could no man a bad mind. Who no can't stop my time. Hey.
we need to put it on Shava.
Again?
Yes, again. Are you kidding me? Why did he change it?
Fuck up the road and kill bad mind. Take care of mama. Buy 2 house. That's how the free from long time. None of them. Yo, brother-in-law, say. You guys know how much I love this song. Oh my god. If you ask me, will you change that I don't like that? Do not make everything go to waste. Let me please find back. Have some faith in me when a girl like that. What make you do it on that? Don't me when I never do that, no. Please, baby, don't throw it all away. My might have fuck up, but not give up on me. One more chance, don't throw it all away. And they are making one little longer.
Hey guys, so it is Saturday, July the 2nd. I am on my way to this wedding reception. Oh my god, when Kimmy comes in, I will tell you guys the story what happened. Kim, I just want to let you know you are the most unorganized individual I've ever met in life. I thought I was bad. You are terrible. You take the cake, okay? Still love you, but you take the cake. So anyways, I just literally finished this wig. I didn't even get to curl it properly. I'm so annoyed, but I think it's okay. Gotta fling on my lipstick, do my eyebrows real quick, and then I will be good. I'm gonna pick up Kim right now. Hopefully she's ready, and then maybe I can find my car mount so I don't have to hold this thing in my hand like I'm doing right now. But other than that, I will see you guys in a little bit with Kim's here, so I don't have to be holding it because I'm driving. And we are a little pressed for time. I don't want to miss this too, like how we already missed the actual wedding part, the ceremony. That's the word I'm looking for. Ceremony. We missed the ceremony, so hopefully we catch the reception. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Bye. With my lesbian partner. Say hi to Snap. Hello. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach it. Man, I treat you like a man is supposed to. You never can relate to when they find a special someone. And she's royal, yeah. I will stay with you. I will stay with you. We can do so many in there. Look at her bum. Ooh, look at my date's ass. Yes, look on it. Ooh. You know, you can never pass up a good mirror. Sorry the flash is on, guys, but look at me though. Like, who told me I could look so sexy? And my date, look at her. Who told her she could look so sexy? Look at that ass though. Look at that. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, let's go. Now we're here at the wedding, and we are at our table. We're at table 2. My name's never been on a table before. That's so cute. So yeah, we're here. This bitch is always taking pictures. Like, she's so annoying. Are you gonna really? Me too. It messed me up at one point. You see, that's what happened to me. I was like, there's 2 of them. There's one in Mississauga and there's one downtown. I'm like, downtown doesn't seem right, so let me take my chance with Mississauga first. Oh wow. So everyone got lost on the way here, but we got it. We got here. The bride and groom are still not here yet, so that's good. And it's an open bar. What? So yeah, it's really cool. And there's I'm not sure if it's, I think it's the table in the front, that front table. Yeah, there's a steel band and things. So cool. It's so nice and intimate in here. Flash, because I don't want anybody to feel like, you know, obligated or anything, but it's really pretty set up. We're literally right by the bridal party. I love this. Like, ooh, all white. We're feeling godly and shit. You know what I'm saying? You guys have never been to a real wedding before in real life. Wedding in real life, so I'm really excited. If y'all like my hair, thumbs up if you like my hair. Oh god, all the ghetto people are at number 2. Are at table 2. It's so funny. Anyways, I'm gonna get something to drink and come back, okay? Bye. Drink of the night. I got me a sex on the beach, cause you know, cartel sex.
Have you ever done it on the
beach? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this is what I'm starting off with. I'm the designated driver, so I can't even really drink too much, but you know, we don't care really anyways. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. What was I just about to do? I don't know what this is, but it's really good. This meatball is really good. This spring roll, I hope it's really good. So, My day, are you having fun so far? It's the vlog. Don't not talk. Talk. She's referring to my twins in case y'all don't know. Part of the evening.
All right. So we will probably ask for about 3 more minutes. Forgive me.
Oh, okay. Music. Yeah, our table's popping. Table 2 is popping. Let me tell you guys, okay? So popping over here.
Leah Kumar and Eva Kumar.
Hey! Hey! You know you're at a Caribbean wedding when.
Where is Leah? Leah. All right. Not to show where Leah is. And the ring bearer, Jaden Campbell. Oh, there is Leah. And Jaden.
Aww.
Together with groomsman Ryan Brown.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Hey. Come on, guys, come through.
Yeah, I give me ready for the jump.
Where's Ryan?
I was trying to get it on my own. I gave you keys so you bring. Started from the bottom, now started from the bottom, now we're here.
Yo, I haven't seen him since Marlon's birthday party, yo.
Yeah, started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom,
I know, right?
ain't really much I is calling up without us. You just want to
You wanna know what it?
And the parents, Sandra Coombs and Carol Coombs, parents of Kim, Sandra and Carol. Parents of the group.
Woo! Yay! That's an entrance! Yes! Yes! That is how you enter the room! Okay!
Mr. and Mrs. Nicholas
Woo!
Kumar.
Hey!
God time for the food time for come. Table 2, I'm at table 2, and I'm at a table. Okay, I don't really want to put the camera on them, but 2, I'm at the single table. All these pretty ladies. Yes, my ugly date. And Ting, I'm 2 drinks in. She's still on her first. Like, how annoying is she? Oh my God. But like, yes, my second. And this is like doubled. Yeah, this is the right one. He doubled it. Like, thank you. Yo, honestly. Listen. What? Uh-huh. He's a gentleman, because not many men nowadays ask you for a dance. They just come behind you and start joking behind you, you know? Yeah, if no one box you. Some butter squash soup, some baby food. About to eat with a nice little garnish. Try it. Try it. Tell me if you like it. Is that your soup spoon? Thank you. I don't know what a soup spoon is. I don't know what it looks like either. That's why I'm asking. Who cares? Just eat it. You're like Babs, yo.
Alright then, carry it. Alright. What a good magic set for me.
Yo, what's your name, Mom? Yo, Mom. Yo, Mom, what's your name, Mom?
I wonder what Brandon is doing their wedding.
He said he's at the casino.
So the next people I'm wedding, I got a
He said Razor them are playing. He said Razor's playing. So they went to the casino.
You know, of course, people Ricky, they're gonna have influence in God. Come on now.
So you can still come to my wedding. Just may not be with your cousin, but yeah. Why? Sean and Lonnie will still be a part of my wedding, regardless.
Get back to the former
It actually tastes pretty good. Like, no, that's too much for me. I don't know what else the meal entails. I'm not trying to gain back everything I lost.
So can we give a applause to the music before the bridal party came in and now? Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you. With the salad. That looks so good. It is. That's why I look so young, because I always a laugh. Yup. Yes, my salad. How does it taste? You like the salad, eh? Yeah, you like rabbit food. You love the rabbit food. Bomb.com. Okay, you guys understand the bomb.com.
This now, why this Kareem? Why would I diss you? No.
See me know if this knife and fork. Ooh, there's spinach.
They are.
You want me to be your friend? I am your friend.
Yeah, man, me are your friend.
Yeah, I know, man. Donald's like, it's like they put some cream on here and make hair grow tall.
What? What you say? What you say?
No, like,
What you say? Yo, go and go eat your salad here. Go and go eat your salad before the rabbit them come take up your salad and leave me here alone.
oh yeah, come stand me, oh, that's the lie.
No, she said you can't put the cream.
Yeah, come stand me.
Me not style you, but what you say about me?
Show your eyelash some turn up, eh?
No, you just a guest to me now.
Oh,
You see a turn up?
Alright, what else? What else you want to talk about? Talk about my eyebrow, my lips, me.
This shot. Don't win up on Snapchat.
No.
Yeah, in phone.
No, this is not for Snapchat. This is for YouTube.
You ever talk up in that video like that?
Yo, I can't wait to show Mar for real, bro. Right?
I can't bother this touch.
For real.
Did you see when I had the meatballs and stuff? I didn't even take them off. Like, I had to take them off. I don't eat with toothpicks. Like, what is that?
Here's some popcorn.
Some popcorn?
He said I want to hear some popcorn.
Yeah.
Cause y'all overdo it, see?
No, I'm not sure.
I want the, what's it called?
That's pretty good though.
What's the steel band?
You know, say the other one spelling name. You said popcorn.
So fun, what do you say? You see, right? Pumpkin. That's so heavy.
Alkaline, I'm a man still. Alkaline, I'm my man still.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm my man. Yeah.